When booked in for service or repair, drive to the workshop entry location. Park your van into the designated drop-off zone. When a van is already parked there, simply park your van directly behind the first one. You may start to unhook your van. Please check in with reception and our customer service representative will go over the service work order. While you don't have to empty everything out of your van, it is advisable to remove items in the areas we will be working. Main power and gas might be turned off. Therefore, please take any perishable items out of your fridge. Please note that any additional items need to be notified 2 weeks prior to drop-off day. For safety reasons, please do not enter our workshop area. On the time of pickup, our service representative will go over what work has been carried out. When all good and accepted, payment can be made. We accept cash, credit card, EFTPOS and BPay. Keys are handed over, you can hook up your van and you are on your way to your next adventure.